my business has three sides. I have a physical product shop, a digital download shop, and I also have my YouTube channel. I've definitely had some success this year, but I've also had some failures. My most notable success was my digital download shop. I put a lot more time and energy into creating digital files this year, which generated a lot more traffic and sales. If you look at this chart, you'll see my sales increased 283% from last year. I created some successful products this year for my digital download shop and also for my physical product shop. One successful new product was digital earring packs for my download store. I discovered that people really like to purchase digital files in bulk at a discounted rate. I also created acrylic earrings for my physical product store. I learned that anything with glitter seems to sell the best. I also created some products this year that failed, including art prints for my physical store and sign files for my digital download store. Neither of these products generated any sales, and I ended up removing them from my shops because I decided they weren't a good fit for my brand. My physical product store, Tic-Tac-Toe Goods, faced some hardship this year when I had to stop selling custom pet earrings due to a health issue. And because those were my best seller, I had to rebrand my shop by finding new products that sold well. It took a good amount of trial and error to figure out what my next popular products would be, and I'm just now starting to get a feel for what my customers want from me, and I'm rebuilding my shop with a big focus on acrylic earrings and wood stud earrings. For me, the new year always feels like a fresh start, a time to kick the old habits that are no longer working, and to look at the bigger picture. I currently make nearly all of my sales on Etsy, but their fees have gotten really high. So this year I want to start generating more traffic to my own website, victecto.com. And to do that, I'm going to focus more on social media and also creating short form videos that have my website listed at the end. Another goal is I want to increase my efficiency. I'm going to do that by looking at all of my current processes and deciding what can be improved. For example, it currently takes me a long time to edit photos, and better photos would mean a lot less editing. So I plan to start taking better photos by improving my lighting setup. One of my big goals for my physical product store is to start doing in-person sales. I currently only sell online, and I feel like I'm missing a big opportunity for exposure and also just to meet people that would otherwise never have heard of my brand. The next goal is to create more physical products. Obviously, the more a customer has to choose from, the higher the chance of a sale. And when I'm creating these new products, I'm going to make sure that I'm making things that are fairly easy to create, because if I sell a mass quantity of something, I want to be able to create the products quickly. When I used to sell custom painted pet earrings, each order would take me anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. So as you can imagine, filling a lot of orders was a bit of a nightmare. Another goal is to start selling more of my products wholesale, which means other shop owners will purchase my products and sell them in their own shops. And to do that, I'm going to build up my Fair shop. And Fair is a wholesale marketplace. It's similar to Etsy, but it's for wholesale. I will also reach out to local stores and boutiques and leave them with a catalog of my products. And this year I also want to design some new products for my physical store, including acrylic pins and nail tattoos. One big goal for my download store is to expand on the type of files that I offer. I want to start creating acrylic earring files and also more wooden dangle earring files. I recently created this pack of winter animals, and I want to start creating more fun, playful files such as these. I also plan to create more short how-to videos for laser cutter users. I feel like this will be a great way to grow my audience and to help other Glowforge users. For this YouTube channel, I would love to be at 10,000 subscribers by this time next year. And to get there, I plan on continuing to do Glowforge business videos, project videos and short form videos. And I also just want to get more comfortable talking to the camera, which is what I'm doing right now. And I think the only way to get better at that is just to practice. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave a comment below of what your goals for 2023 are. And I'm also going to have my referral link in the description where you can get anywhere from $125 to $500 off your Glowforge, depending on which model you get, and I'll get paid that amount as well. Alright, well thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!